And Divya, try to understand the class. If you have any issues, and let me know immediately. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Now let's see. So these are the different types of constraints we have in a table. Not null constraint. If we define a column as a not null, so that means we have to insert some value. So the unique key means we can declare a unique constraint on a column. That means it should accept null values, but if you're giving a value that is a unique, primary key is a combination of unique and not null. And a check constraint is to check a column value against an expression or a list of values. So if you want to populate a values to a column from a predefined set of values, then we can go with the check constraints. Another one is very important one is the foreign key. Foreign key relationship is to implement a relationship between two tables. Relationship between two tables, like a parent-child relationship. In one table, it is a parent table. In another table, it is a in one table it is a parent table. It is another table
Child.
a foreign key table.
So child.
Or it is a not null. So it can accept a null values. Foreign key accepted null values. One important point before going into that. So we can create any number of constraints, on a single table. We can create any number of constraints. There is no restriction on number of constraints. Okay, we can create not null, we can create unique, you can create a primary key, you can create a check, you can create a foreign key. So we can create, okay, so the multiple, we can create only one point, only one primary key on a table. We cannot have more than one primary key on a table. So the primary key constraint is only one. We can have any number of not null constraint. We can have any number of unique constraint. You can have any number of check constraint. We can have any number of foreign key constraint. But only the restriction we have on the constraints is only one primary key. Only one primary key we can create, but rest of the constraints can be created any number. Rest of the constraints is any number of the constraint we can create it, but only one primary key. Okay, so how to create a constraints and everything we will see while discussing DDL statements. So the create table. So the constraints will be implemented and we can practice during the DDL command. DDL create table commands. Okay. Now let's going to see a topic called as a joins. That's very important and very confusing and very useful in the query. Okay, so now in any database, in any Oracle database, we can have any number of tables. Any number of tables. There is no restriction on the number of tables. In a 10G environment, the maximum number, we can have any number of tables. There is no restriction on the number of tables. We can create thousands of tables in a database. Okay, let's see student table and class table and professor table and subject table. Is there any meaning in the data? Let's consider it is a student database. Let's consider the student DB. Okay, so now I have a 4 tables: student table and class table and professor table and a subject table. Okay, so now what is the relation between student and a class table? What is the relation between student and a class? Let's make this as a course. What course he is studying? Okay, MTech or BTech or MSc or something. And professor and a subject. So what is the relationship? Okay, I don't have any relationship between the tables. I don't have any relationship between the above 4 tables. That's my student database and I don't have any relationship. Is it any meaningful in my database? My database any have Does my database have any meaning or no? If you don't have a relationship. Without relationship between the two tables, is it a good database or it's a bad database? It's a bad database, right? If there is no, see the RDBMS, right? Oracle is a RDBMS. What is the RDBMS? And Relational Database Management System. Relational Management Database System. It should have a proper relationship between the two tables. Okay, how can we create a relationship between the two tables? So I don't have any relationship between above tables. If there is no relationship between the tables in a database, then that database design is the bad design. Okay, this is bad, completely bad. The database design is a completely bad database. If you don't have a relationship, there is no meaning in the database. So we have to create a relationship between the two tables. That's 100%. Every table should have a relationship with the other tables, either direct or indirect. Every table in database should have a relationship. Relationship. There is no relationship, then that is the bad design. Database design is very important. Every table in the database should have a relationship with other table, either direct or either direct or indirect way. Can everybody put it on mute, please? Okay. So how can we create a relationship? How can we create a relationship between two tables? How can we create a relationship between tables?
By using a foreign key.
Yes, using foreign key constraints. Using foreign key constraints, we will create a relationship. Okay. So everybody is clear. So we need to see, okay, before joining any company, after joining immediately in any company, in a project, we need to know what are the tables, because we are going to work on the completely on the database side. Our primary responsibility is how many tables are there and what is the relationship between the two tables. We need to know that point, very, very important, because then only we can write a good PL SQL programs or SQL programs or reports or ETL or any kind of thing. Okay, relationship. If you don't know the relationships, you cannot create a tables properly. Okay, so now see here, student, course, professor and subject. These are the four. Okay, so now let's see. Now let's come back to our two tables, EMP and DEPT tables. EMP table and DEPT table. Okay, select star from employee table. I'm writing a query, select star from employee table. Okay. No, my question is, what is the department name? What is the department name? Name of an employee Smith. So now my question is, write a query to find department name of an employee Smith. Can I write a query directly? See, this is my question. I want to write a query to find the department name of an employee. How do you write a query to find name of a department? So what is the department name? Do we have a department? First question is, okay, do we have required information in a single table or not? Information in single table or not? Yes, this is my requirement. I want to find a query to find the department name. Okay, so do we have the required information in a single table? Yes or no? Bhavani, do we have the department name in employee table or no?
No.
No, right? So no.
Hello?
Yes,
No.
yes, no, right? Yeah, we have,
Yeah.
we don't have. We don't have department name in EMP table. So then how can I get the department name? How can we get the department name for an employee Smith? So what is the logic?
Department.
Procedure name? Yeah. What are the steps? Okay. First thing is department name is in which column? Department name is in which table? DEPT table, right? Okay.
Yes.
So now my Smith is in EMP table. So now in order to get an answer to my question, so two tables are involved. Two tables are involved. Okay. Two tables are involved. So now I need to write a query, right? A query to get information from multiple tables in a single select statement, right? So I need to write a query to get information from multiple tables in a single select. So now so far we have seen select star from EMP, single table, select star from EMP, where so and so, where department number is equal to 20. So we have seen these type of queries so far to the single table information. But whenever you need more than one table in a single selector, we need to know. So then, okay, so now I need to write a query. So the fundamental rule is, if you want to get an information from more than one table in a single select, statement, okay, we need to join those tables in where condition. We need to join those conditions. Now why join? So what is the use of a join? The concept, the join is required when we need to write a select to get the data from a more than one table. So whenever you need to get an information from more than one table, then compulsory we have to join. Two tables. Okay, what is a join? Join is nothing but a condition between the two tables. Simple. Join is nothing but a condition. Between two tables. So where can we specify a condition in a select statement? Where can we specify a condition in a select statement? Where can we specify a condition in a select statement?
Where?
Yes.
Where class?
Join is a condition, right? That's why we need to put that join condition in a where. We need to put a conditions in a where condition. That's it. Okay. So we need to join between a condition of a two tables. So how can we join? So can I join between table is equal to table or column? So we need to write a join condition between columns of two tables. Join condition is between columns of two tables. Okay, so now how can we identify what column of table is joined to another column of another table? Okay, for example, EMP and DEPT. So what column of EMP and what column of DEPT is to join, right? So how can we identify the columns for the join? See, join is nothing but a condition to get the data from two tables. Yes, condition. Okay, so how can we perform a join? Join between the columns. It can be a one condition or multiple condition. But how can we select the columns for join? select columns of join based on foreign key relationship. Okay, so now EMP table and DEPT table. EMP table's department number is a foreign key to DEPT tables department number. That's it. So now we know EMP table department number column has a foreign key to department table. So now if you want to join EMP and DEPT, we need to join those two tables based on the department number. The simple is EMP table dot department number is equal to DEPT table dot department number. Two tables. The table name dot column name. So what is the meaning of this condition? This is a join condition. Join condition between EMP and DEPT table. Okay, so now joins are between the columns of two tables. Columns. What column? Department table. Department number. Okay, so the department number. How we are joining? The column name, table name dot column name. That means department number column of employee table is joining with the department number of department table. This is a join condition. So this join condition we need to put in a employee table. Everybody is clear? Let's see. Select emp dot ename comma emp dot department number comma DEPT dot dname comma DEPT dot department number from EMP comma DEPT. So that means I need to put two tables in my where just simply write your join condition. Just write a simple condition. So join condition. Now execute this query. See, clerk. The name is clerk. See here, department number 10 and accounting. Clerk is have a department number accounting. You can check it. Clerk is department number 10. Okay, so now from this table, it goes to department table and it matches the 10 and it gets that accounting. See here, clerk and accounting. See, whenever you are joining, okay, so here we need to specify the table name dot column name. So now I have a two tables, right? I have a two tables. So now the ename column is getting from employee table, department number column I'm getting from employee table, and the dname column I'm getting from the department table. So I need to specify the column names. What happens if I don't specify the column name? Okay, so let's see first. Is everybody clear? What is a join and how to join the two tables? And everybody is clear? So if anybody asks you to write a query between the two tables, immediately we have to concentrate, we have to get the relationship between the foreign key relationship between the two tables. If you have a relationship, simply join the condition. Table name dot column name is equal to table name dot column name. Everybody is clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Please respond.
Yes. I have a question.
Yes.
Since in these two tables, in an EMP table and DEPT table, we have a unique column name which matches with the both tables. So what if we have two tables and we have none of the column names same?
Column
Then
names
how do
are
we
not
do?
required. Column names same is not required. So you need to check for the foreign key.
Okay.
You need to check for the column C. See, while discussing the EMP table, if let's see. So now I'm explaining the concept. Your doubt. Column names are not required to same. See here. This is the part of that one. See, I'm creating the constraint foreign key of employee number, department number. This department number references start dot department tables department number. So this is that, see here on EMP table, we are creating following constraint. Okay, what is the constraint name? Constraint name is this one. This is not required in this class. We will discuss each one in the DDL. This is the constraint name. So what type of constraint it is? Foreign key constraint. Okay, so what is the column name on child table? This is the column name of employee table. So this column, I'm giving the refer this column in department tables, department number column. So the column names are not required to same for a foreign key. So here, if I say here it is a something called as a D number. So the department number and D number are same here. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see. I'll show you something. I changed the department table. Let's see. Select star from DEPT. Do I have the department number in the DEPT table? Do I have a department number in the DEPT table?
No.
No. Okay. Can I execute this query now? Is it going to fail or is going to success?
No.
It's going to fail, right? Because it will give you invalid identifier. Because I don't have a department number.
Number.
So now just simply join the department D number. Because now let's go to the EMP table. Let's see. See here, refers to, it automatically changes to the D number column. Here column names. So never ever blindly go with the same column name. Always go with the foreign key. Okay, the only way you can identify the 100% accurate the join condition is based on the foreign keys. What is the child table and what is the parent table? What is the column of a child table and what is the column of a parent table? See here, now I have a, here the child table is EMP and DEPT is parent table, and department number column of employee table have a foreign key to D number column of DEPT. So now I need to join those conditions with the department number comma D number. Okay, Shravani, is that okay to you? Is it Shravani or is it Divya?
It's me, Divya.
Divya. Is it clear to you now?
Yeah, and I have one more question.
Yeah, go ahead.
So, because I missed the previous classes, how did you identify that EMP is the child table and DEPT is the parent table?
EMP is the child table and parent table is the parent table. The table on which you have a foreign key is the child table.
Okay.
Table on which you have foreign key. Foreign key is child table. So now in the EMP and DEPT, you can see, go to the constraint and you can see FK department number, right? It's a foreign key. Okay.
Okay.
Simply it is a foreign key. Or go to the department number. See, the department number is a value is repeating or is it a unique?
It's repeating.
Repeating. And it accepts null, right?
Yeah.
So it is not a primary key. So value is repeating, it is not unique. So now go to the DEPT table. The value is unique here.
Yes.
So that means it is a primary key. So the table on which you have a primary key is a parent table. The table on which you have a foreign key is a child table.
Child table. Okay.
Everybody is clear, or anybody have any other doubts? Alter table DEPT and rename column. I'm renaming back to department number. That's. Don't worry about this alter table. We will see this one also. Everybody is clear? So the join. So why we need to join? So whenever we need to write a query to get the data from more than one table, yes, we need to join. Okay, join is nothing but a condition. We need to put a join condition in the where part. We need to put a join condition in the where. How can you join? So between columns of two tables. We need to join between columns of two tables. How can we get the join condition? Based on the foreign key definition between the two tables. Based on the relationship and everything, we can get the foreign key. Everybody is clear, or anybody have any doubts? And one thing is, okay, so now we need to, it's always better to write a column alias, column names in front of the column. Okay, let's see. I'm removing this. I'm executing this query. Select ename. Okay, so now ename. So how Oracle understand? See, I have a two tables right here. It's a two tables, but here emp num ename. Ename is not prefixed with any table name. Then how Oracle will get it? So Oracle is going to get the ename from the emp or DEPT. So how the Oracle is going to get the value of this column ename? Is it going to get it from the emp or it is going to get it from the DEPT? How Oracle is going to get a value of this ename column? Is it from the emp table or it is from the DEPT table? Anybody?
EMP table. EMP
But we
table.
don't have the ename in DEPT, right? It's not going to be a problem. So we will get it from the ename. Okay, let's see. emp dot department number. Now, what will happen if I write a query like this? So the department number. Do we have the department number in one table or two tables?
Two tables.
Two tables. Now Oracle is, what will happen to Oracle? Is it going to execute, or is it going to get it from employee table, or it is going to get it from the DEPT table, or it will give an error?
Error.
It gives an error. Column ambiguously defined. Oracle doesn't know the table from which this department number value should be taken. That's why whenever you have a more than one table, it is always create a table name emp dot. So then there is no ambiguity to Oracle. Oracle will identify the table from which this column value should be taken. Okay, everybody. Everybody is okay so far? Everybody is okay? Yes or no, please? Please?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's see. See here, this is a join condition. Okay, one fundamental rule. Okay. So now, if you have n number of tables in the form, f number of tables in from class. From class in the sense is here. If you have n number of tables in the from class, okay, so we need to write at least n minus 1 number of join conditions. Conditions for getting correct information. So all the tables should be joined properly. So we need to write if you have n number of tables in a from class, n number of tables in the from class, we need to write at least n minus 1 number of join conditions for getting a correct information. We need to write a n minus 1 number of join conditions. If you have n number of tables in a from class, we need to write a n minus 1. How many tables we have in the employee table and DEP? Two tables. That's why I need to write a one join condition. Everybody is clear? Yes or no, please? Okay, this is the fundamental rule. Okay, let's see. I'm going to change this query slightly, E and D. Instead of writing a complete name in the all parts of my query, instead of writing the complete name, I'm giving a one alias name. Alias name. Instead of giving the full table name, I'm giving a and table alias. That's called here A and E and D are table aliases. Here E and D are table aliases. Instead of giving alias, I'm giving a table aliases. I can write a complete table name, or I can simply give an alias and I can use that alias. Okay, everybody is clear? Yes or no, please? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So now the join, we know the join condition, how to join and everything. Okay. So now, first of all, how the join is going to work. Okay. How join is going to work. See here. Okay. So when I'm executing this query, okay, I got 13 rows. Super. How exactly it is going to work? Okay. So now, so what is the join condition? EMP under DEPT. This is the join condition. Okay. So now, first Oracle, how it is? Oracle takes one row from EMP table or EMP or DEPT table. Let's consider that is EMP table. One row from EMP table. Okay. So then it goes to DEPT table. One row of employee table. Oracle gets one row. Okay, gets one row from employee table. Okay. So then it goes to DEPT table. Then it try to match department number value in EMP row. For the first row, what we get it in this one, it gets the one row from employee table. It takes one row from employee. So then it goes to the DEPT table. Then it try to match department number value in employee row. Try to match to every row of DEPT table. Every row of DEPT table with the department number column. That is the what we have a join condition. So now first EMP table. What is the first row? Clerk. What is the department number? 10. So then it goes to department number. It matches the 10 from employee table with every row of this one. So the 10 is going to match to 10 of employee row is equal to 10 of department. Yeah, it is matched. That means, so then immediately Oracle links this row, first row with this row because 10 and 10 are matched. Yes, first row is matched. It returns the first row. And the second row, 10 is equal to 20. Is it matched? 10 is equal to 20. 10 is equal to 20 is matched or no?
No.
No. So that's why we don't get this row. So 10 is equal to 30. It is not matched. 10 is equal to 40. It's not matched. That's why. So in EMP table, okay, so the clerk 10, this row is linked with this row because the values on both tables is matched. So one row from employee table matches with every row of department table. Then it returns only the matched rows between the two tables. Only the matched rows between the two tables. That's the how the join is going to work. Is everybody is it clear? Is everybody is it clear or yes or no, please? How the join is going to work? That's a very important. Is everybody is it clear with this the explanation? Okay. I think nobody is replying. Mauno Ardhangikaram. Okay. So now this is the way it is going to work. So the column alias. Here it is the A and D are column aliases. That's a compulsory. We have to use this join. What are the types of joins? Types of joins. Okay. The first thing is inner join. Inner join. And the second one is outer join. And the third one is self join. And the fourth one is cross Cartesian product. Cartesian product join. Okay, inner join is again divided into equi-join and a non-equi-join. Outer join is again divided into left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. These are the types of joins. There is no special type for self join and Cartesian join. Inner join, and this is the most useful join. Useful join. The inner join. Inner join. Whatever we have seen this example, this is called as an inner join. Inner join. Inner join returns only the matched rows between two tables. Only the matched rows between the two tables. Only the condition, whatever condition we specified, that means okay, join condition matched rows will be returned. Condition matched rows will be returned. Only the join condition. So the join condition matched rows will be returned. Everybody is clear? So this is the what we have seen, inner join. Inner join is only the matched rows. The matched rows in the sense is only, okay, so 13 rows only. See here, the 13 rows. But how many rows we have in employee table? And 14 rows. Why we are not getting the Martin record? Why we are not getting the Martin record? Here I'm not getting the Martin. Clark, King, Miller, Jones, Smith, Scott, Ford, Adams, Turner, James, Allen, Ward, and Blake. There is no Martin, right? We have the Martin. Why we are not getting the Martin in this query? Why we are not getting the Martin in this query?
Yes, because there's no department is null value.
Yes, department number is not matching with the department number of Martin is not matched with the department number of department table because we have a null. Okay, so the inner join will give you only the rows which match between the two tables. Okay, so now what is the equi-join? So inner join with the join condition is equal to operate. Inner join with equal to in join condition. In join condition. Non-equi join is inner join with not equal to or greater than or less than in join condition. Other than equal to operator. Other than equal operator. Equal in join condition. Let's see. So it's not equal to. So here we will be getting more rows. See here, 39 rows. 39 rows. Why we got the 39 rows here? Let's see. So 10 rows for the Smith, Allen, Ward, Jones, Blake, Scott, Turner, Adams, Ford is not equal to operator. Not equal to means first it takes the one record from employee table. Okay. So now what is the join condition? How this is going to work? Okay. First it takes the one record from employee table. What is the department number here? What is the department number here?
10.
10. Okay, then it goes to the department table. Okay, the 10 is 10. What is the join condition we have? 10 not equal to 10. So is that the 10 not equal to 10 satisfied for the first record? 10 is equal to 10 or 10 not equal to 10 this one?
10 equal to 10.
10 is equal to 10. So that means our join condition, the condition is not satisfying. Here, this is not satisfying. We won't get this record. For the clerk, we won't get this record. Okay, it goes to the second record. 10 not equal to 20. Is it right or wrong?
Right.
Right. So then it returns. For a clerk, it returns a research. So let's see here. Let's make the order by here. let's go to clerk. See here, clerk, we got research, operations and sales. For the same clerk, we got 3 rows because in a clerk have a department number 10, which is not equal to satisfied with 20, 30, 40. That's why for a clerk, we got 3 records. Okay. Similarly, we have 13 records in my employee table. Each record not satisfied with the 3 records in the DEPT table. 13 into 3, that is equal to 39 records. Here we will be getting 39 records. So this query result is right or it's a wrong meaning. Is it the Smith working in department 10? Is Smith working in department 10?
No.
No. That's why the non-equijoin is not useful one. Never ever write a non-equijoin unless there is a special requirement, because non-equijoin will not give you the correct information, because the equijoin is only give you the correct information. Non-equijoin never ever gives the correct information. Okay, everybody, is it clear? Yes or no, please? Non-equijoin example is equal to not 1. So the inner join, so we have seen inner join. Inner join will give you the rows between only the matched rows. Only the matched rows between the 2 tables. So matched rows in the sense is what match? It's the specified join condition matched rows will be written. The specified join condition rows will be written. So the inner join can be a equijoin or not equijoin. So the equijoin will give you with the is equal to operator, it will give you the matched rows. The non-equijoin is inner join with the other than equal operator. It can be a less than or greater than or any other than operator. Okay, everybody? Yes or no? Okay. Please respond. Okay, outer join. Okay, so now how many employees are there in my employee table? Okay, let's see. Let's my query. Write a query, write a select to find list of employees along with their department number. Their department number. So manager is asking, hi Vinay, I want to find all my employees along with their department. He want to see who is working in department and who is not working in department also. I want to write a query to find list of employees along with their department. He need to find out what is the department number of each employee. Let's see. Now I want to write a query. It's equal to. Okay, so now I know this one. This is the to join a condition. Okay, so now clerk accounting, king accounting, that is fine. Okay, this is not required. Let's make it only 1 copy. Okay, yes. So okay, so now is this information is correct for this query? My query is giving all the information for this requirement. So write a select statement to find a list of employees along with their department name. I need to find all employees with their department name. So I wrote this query. Is this query given all information required for this statement? Yes or no? Everybody, yes or no? First of all, everybody is getting or not? Nobody is answering. Hello?
No, no.
So what information is missing here?
40.
40 is the department name. So I'm not asking the 40. I'm asking all employees. Right?
One is missing.
So here Martin is missing, right? See, in this query, Martin is missing. I'm not getting all employees. I'm getting only 13 employees, but I have a 14 employees. I'm missing some information. So here my manager is asking all employees from his employee table along with their department name. See, this query is giving the only employees who are working in a department. See, this is giving all employees who are working in department. So I'm not getting who are working in a department. Okay, I'm not getting the employees who are on bench, right? I want to find that one also. So that means I want to write a query which should give you matched results plus unmatched information also. So we need to write a query in the sense is the select statement to get information for matched rows in the sense is inner join and unmatched rows also. Okay, so I need to know the unmatched data also. So whenever we need to write a query to get information for unmatched rows and matched rows also, this type of join is called as a outer join. Outer join in the sense is, so outer join is equal to inner join results plus unmatched data. Unmatched data is from what? Okay, so if unmatched data from left side table, then it is left outer join. Okay, if unmatched data from right side table, so then it is right outer join. Okay, if unmatched data from both tables, then it is full outer join. So that's why outer join is of three types. What are those three types? Left outer join and right outer join and full outer join. Okay, so unmatched data is from what? Unmatched data. See, now in the employee table, this record is not matched, and in the department table, and this 40 is not matched. In that case, we need to go with the outer join. So whenever we need to write a query to get the inner join results, compulsory outer join is not a new one. It's an extension to the inner join. It give you the inner join results from unmatched data. So unmatched data is from what? Unmatched data is from, do you want it from the left side table or do you want it from the right side table or do you want it from the full tables? Okay, let's see here. Okay, so now the left outer join and right outer join. Let's see the difference. Please observe carefully. Okay, so now this one is giving only matched data. This is giving only matched data, 13 rows. Now I want unmatched data from left side table. For is equal to, what is the left side table? What is the left side table for is equal to operator?
EMP.
Because E is the left side. I want the data from left side table. So now
E department is 9.
so just put here
R.
plus side, not R, plus side. For outer join, plus sign. This indicates the outer join, plus. The plus sign indicates outer join in Oracle, not in SQL Server, in Oracle. Okay, but how to use in SQL Server, I will give you. Okay, so now plus sign is on this one. So now the info, we will get unmatched data from opposite table of plus one. What is the opposite table for plus? What is the opposite side table?
EMP.
EMP, because it is E here. So now let's see. This is called as a left outer join. See here, Martin. We got the unmatched data from employee table. This is the left outer join. If I put plus sign here, right hand side, we will get the data from 40. See here, 40 unmatched data from other side. So this is an example of left outer join. Left outer means we will get the data from left side table. Unmatched data from left side table. So now we need to put a plus sign on opposite side. Here we need to put a plus sign on opposite side. But how can I put a full outer join? For a full outer join, we cannot use a plus sign. For full outer join, we can't use plus sign. Then we need to use a keyword. Let's see. Full outer join syntax is MPE full outer join DEPTD. So I am specifying the keyword full outer join. Full outer join, the join condition on this. So the simple. This is the another way of join syntax. The full outer join. So I'm joining MPE full outer join with department D with the join condition. This is for inner join, because outer join will give you the inner join results plus unmatched data. Unmatched data is from, I specified the full outer join. So now I'll get a 15 rows. 15. So the unmatched data from employee table and unmatched data from this table as well. Everybody is clear? It is a full outer join. Full outer join will give you the unmatched data from both tables. So for full outer join, we can't use plus sign. The plus sign will work only in a Oracle database. But if you use this full outer join, it will work in Oracle, SQL Server, or everywhere in any database. The same thing. So we can use the keywords also. Instead of joining the out, we can use the right outer join. We will get the data from right side table, right outer join, right side table. This one, 40 operations. So this is the right outer join. Please note down the syntax as well. This is, will give you this one. So similarly, we can use the left outer join. Left outer join. Martin. Okay, left outer join. So similarly, inner join also can be specified with a keyword. So there is no left or right outer join. Just use a join. This will give you the information from only the matched data. Okay, this type of syntax is called as a ANSI standard SQL syntax using the keywords. This is called as a ANSI standard join condition. ANSI standard join condition. Everybody is clear? Yes or no, please? Anybody have any doubts so far? Please. Bhavani, Shalini, Harita, Shravani, Divya, Anila, Kiran, Abhiram. Anybody have any doubts, please? Let me know, please. So everybody is clear? Inner join, outer join, and left outer join. Everybody is clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear, Andy.
Okay, please respond. So now another one is a Cartesian product join. Cartesian product is a never ever use this type of join. Never ever use this join. This, because this is the most dangerous one. The Cartesian join is means. Okay, so if we have n number of tables, where I write it? So Okay, if you have n number of tables in a join class, and we need to write at least n minus 1 number of join condition. The Cartesian product. What is the Cartesian product? The Cartesian product is nothing but the results of a query. Results of a query when there is no join condition between the two tables. Let's see here. Select ename employee department number and dename department number from EMPE and DGPTD. How many rows? We got 56 rows. The Cartesian product. The Cartesian product occurs between the two tables when between two tables. So when there is no join condition between tables, or there is no join at all, or wrong in join expressions, wrong number of joins. Joins in where? Because if you have 4 tables in from and you have only 2 join conditions, then there is a chance of getting Cartesian product. See, the simple Cartesian product is nothing but a data from 2 tables. So how many rows we will be getting? Number of rows in employee table into number of rows in DEPT table. The Cartesian product. So 56. 14 into 4, 56. So here, so the number of rows is 14 into 4, that is equal to 56 rows, because the Cartesian product is nothing but a number of rows in one table into number of rows in another table. Everybody, is it clear? Yes or no, please? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, super.
Sir, it's me, Pranita. I just joined the class. Can you please only one time just give me with the examples and go through with the inner join, self join, whatever joins you just please.
Pranita Garu, we are going to close the class in 5 minutes. Tomorrow I will explain to you, okay?
Today is 9 o'clock, right?
No, class started at 8:30.
Oh my God.
I sent an email, right? In the yesterday evening itself, I sent an email. Okay, I will explain to you, okay?
Okay, sir.
You missed the important class. Okay, that's fine. We can discuss it again in the tomorrow. Okay, inner join, outer join, left outer join, and Cartesian product. Cartesian product is nothing but a 2 tables. Okay, so now what is self join? What is a self join? The self join is, okay, now employee number is, what is the manager of clerk? What is the manager of a clerk? Who is the manager of a clerk? Who is the manager of a clerk? Who is the manager of a clerk? Look at here and then tell me the answer. Who is the manager? Everybody is in a class or in somewhere else?
7839.
7839 is the manager, right? It is 7839. 7839 is king. So clerk manager is king. So the same table has a reference to itself. The self join is to linking same table to itself. Self join is nothing but joining a table to itself. So joining a table to itself, because see, I need to find who is the manager of a clerk. Okay, the manager of a clerk is 7839. But what is his name? His name is 7839 is king. Okay, so whenever, say, there is no self join is nothing but a inner join with same table twice. Instead of EMP and DEPT, We are going to join EMP, comma EMP. But join condition is employee number and manager number because these two columns are related. Select star from EMP manager. Okay, EMP E. So I'm considering same table twice. Here we are using same table twice. One instance is for employee and one is for manager, where employee dot EMP number is equal to manager dot MGR. Employee dot E number. So this is equal to employee dot employee number is equal to MGR dot manager. What is the MGR? Okay, let's see. 7839. I'm joining to 7839. Okay, let's see what will happen here. M dot employee number and M dot E name. Okay, and E dot MGR, E dot E name, comma E dot MGR employee number. Okay. Okay, so now I got the difference. See, Clark. Okay, King is manager. So King is manager of Clark, King is manager of Blake, and King is manager of Jones. So let's see. Okay, what is the employee number of King? 7839. 7839 is one for Clark and one for Blake and one for Jones. See here. Please observe carefully. So E dot manager. What is E here? E is employee table. E dot manager. So E dot manager. So E dot manager 7839 is equal to, okay, so EMP M. Who is EMP M? M is employee number. 7839 is equal. I'm joining this row with this row. So now I'm getting M. M is employee number. What is the employee number I will be getting? 7839, and the King is a manager of Clark and 7782. Please write carefully and observe. We'll get the correct information, correct understanding. So the self join is nothing but a inner join. But here the number of tables what you are using is the same table you will use twice. The same table you will use twice. That is nothing but the self join, because the same table have a relationship with another column of same table. See here, in employee table, this column 7839 has a relationship with employee number. So the same table, two columns are related. Everybody is clear? That is nothing but a self join. Self join is nothing but a joining to a table itself. Okay. Yes or no, please? Everybody is clear with the joins?
Yes, sir. I have a small question here. Why do we have to do the self join here? Instead of self join, we can't get it. It's in the same table, right? Manager, e name, and EMP number, and everything is one table. So why do we have to? Means can't we write like a select start from whatever and where manager equals to?
Select where manager is equal to
whatever we are asking the question, we can't get it from there like that.
But how do you know? See, you know, for example, let's see here. Okay, Clark manager is 7839, right?
Yes.
Clark manager is 7839. But what is the name of the 7839? What is the job of 7839? What is the salary of 7839? Right?
Uh-huh.
So how do you get the 7839 information? So 778, you know clerk information, but how do you know the manager of a clerk? You know the manager of a clerk is 7839, but what is the other details?
Okay, we need to get to know the manager numbers details. The
Yes,
person.
we know. See, in a single select, we can get the manager number, but how do you get the other information? Other information is also available in the same table, right? With another record. So one record of EMP table need to join with another record of same table. That's why we need to consider it two instances of the same table.
Okay.
Okay. Clear?
And we are joining with which ID number, which means like some primary key or something should be linking with it, right?
This
so
is
we
the
are
foreign,
going with
based on the foreign key relationship.
Okay.
So always you need to join the data based on the foreign keys. See here
Right.
we have a foreign key. Only thing is we need to join the rows with the foreign keys only. Foreign key and foreign key relationship.
Right. Okay.
Everybody is clear? Okay, let's go back to my first question. What is the department name of employee Smith? I don't want all the details. That's my first question. Okay, so now I need to know the department name of a employee Smith. Let's see. Select E dot E name, comma E dot employee number, comma D dot department name, DEPT name, comma D dot DEPT number from employee E, comma DEPT D. Where so I have a employee information in two tables. So compulsory I need to join E dot department number is equal to D dot department number. I am joined this one. D dot department number. I got this information. Okay, so this is the query. Sorry, it's a D name. Okay, I got this information. Perfect. But my question is to get only Smith. I don't want all the rows. I want only further. So after join, and you can apply additional filters where and E dot E name is equal to Smith. That's it. See, Smith information is the result. So after joining, you can apply in any additional number of filters. After once the join is done, you can apply any number of filter conditions. Okay, everybody? Everybody is clear? Everybody is clear? Everybody is clear? Yes or no?
Recording videos.
Yeah, నేను పంపిస్తాను సార్. Okay, I'm having a trouble in uploading because those are the heavy files, 8 MB or 8 MB files.
Dropbox.
Yeah, Dropbox లో ఆల్రెడీ నేను ఇక్కడ వేరే బ్యాచ్ వాళ్ళ ETL ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అప్లోడ్ చేశాను. వాళ్ళు డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు. అది అయిన తర్వాత మీకు పంపిస్తా.
అట్లీస్ట్ ఈ క్లాస్ పంపిస్తారా? ఇది ఒకటి
వీడియోనా ఇది కన్వర్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత రేపటికల్లా ఇది అప్లోడ్ చేస్తా.
ఓకే అండి, థ్యాంక్స్ అండి.
యా, రేపటికల్లా అప్లోడ్ చేసి ఇది ఒకటి పంపిస్తా ఈ రోజు క్లాస్. ఓకే
ఓకే అండి, థ్యాంక్స్.
ఎనీబడి హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఇష్యూస్ ప్లీజ్? శాలిని, హరిత, భవాని, అభిరామ్, కిరణ్, అనిల, శ్రావణి, Pranita garu, Divya. Anybody have any doubts in the class? Please let me know. This because this is very important and it is the more because we have seen only two tables. We may have so many tables. Okay.
Can we get these notes?
Yes. These notes? Yes. I'll send these notes to everyone at the end of this class immediately. Okay. What else? Anybody have any doubts? Please. Anybody have any doubts, please? Okay, super. Tomorrow we are going to see set operators.
Can you explain self-join with another example?
I don't have the tables. Let me create a few more tables because I have only one table here, right? EMP and DEPT only. Okay. So let me create a few more tables and then I will explain to you. Okay.
Yeah.
Because I need to create a tables and populate with some data to have a proper relationship.
Can you send me the previous class notes?
Yes, I'll send the previous class notes to you immediately. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yep. Everybody is clear? Tomorrow we are going to see the set operators and the DML statement. Please go through this, and if you have any
ట్యూస్డే క్లాస్ కి పంపిస్తారా? ట్యూస్డే క్లాస్ కి అదే ఫంక్షన్స్ చెప్పారు కదా.
అంటే నేను 1 by 1 అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. నోట్స్ అడుగుతున్నారా మీరు? వీడియో అడుగుతున్నారా?
పంపించండి.
యా, ఇప్పటి వరకు అయిన నోట్స్ పంపిస్తాను. ఓకే
ఓకే
ఓకే.
వీడియో ఈ ఒక రోజు చాలు.
యా నో ప్రాబ్లం, పంపిస్తాను. ఓకే సార్. See you guys tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Tomorrow we are going to see the DML statements. First is the operators, the set operators. The mathematical set operators we are going to see, and we are going to start the DML statements. Okay, so let me first close this recording.